Guess what? Your knee brace is making your knee pain worse. And I'm going to tell you why right now. What's up everyone, Wabo here and welcome back to my channel. Now in this video, I'm going to talk about your knee brace and why wearing this incorrectly is making your knee pain much worse. And I want to make sure that by wearing this correctly, you have the best outcomes that you can possibly get. So thank you for watching. Let's jump into the video. Now this is a disclaimer to all of you out there watching. This video in no way should be a replacement of you seeing your medical professional. You want to make sure that you're using this video as a resource, not as a replacement. So please, anything I tell you today, make sure you consult your medical professional and that you're getting the best and most accurate information as possible. Now the brace I'm going to talk about today is going to be a simple slip-on brace. This is a brace that's usually designed for small ligamental injuries, running injuries, or even dislocations of your patella. These are the braces that are normally provided to those who are having those kind of pains and those kind of issues. There are hundreds, even thousands of knee braces out there that cater to other things like osteoarthritis or even fractures. This is not the video that we're going to discuss that in. That will be in later videos. In this video, I'm just going to talk about a simple slip-on knee brace, something that you find in a Walmart, Target, department store, Amazon, something that's provided to you probably from your orthopedic doctor or even from a VA medical center. We're going to discuss this and how you can wear this properly to get the support that you need. So let's go over the anatomy of the knee brace below. As you can see, this knee brace is just a very simple one. It's a pull-on. There's no opening areas of the brace where you open with Velcro or even use some kind of zipper. No, it's just a simple slip-on brace. Now, if you look at the front, you see this little donut that's on the front of the brace. That is where the center of your knee should fall. That is the ideal area to kind of isolate and provide that knee support right in the center of your knee. So when you're wearing the brace properly, you're getting the support all you need. But overall, you want to make sure that you have a snug, tight fit when you're wearing a brace like this because you don't have a lot of room for adjustment. Another thing that's a key feature on this brace, where you may not find it in other braces, but on this one it actually has, is a little pull tab to kind of give you a little bit tight support around your knee and around the front center of your knee, your patella area. Now, I may be using a lot of medical jargon in this video, but I just want to make sure that I provide you the information that I know. And you can, of course, look this up because, as I said to you before, right, you're going to talk to your medical professional. Good. So this is a simple knee brace. Let's go over some of the common mistakes that I see when people are wearing this brace. The first common thing I see is that people are not wearing the brace the right position, or typically they're wearing it upside down. Now, a slip-on knee brace is made to be worn with the widest part opening up on your thigh and the skinniest part opening on or around your calf. Most of the time I see people when they're wearing this, it's flipped directly upside down. And that's a big problem because if you're not wearing it correctly, the brace is just going to slip down and not provide you knee support. So please make sure that when you're putting on the brace, you're paying close attention to how you are wearing it and how you are donning it. And that way you can make sure you're getting the support that you need. Next is the brace is being worn too low or not directly on top of the knee. A lot of times when you're donning a brace like this, you think you have it in the right area, but when you stand up and you start walking, it's not right where it needs to be. And you want to make sure that you're getting the support you need while you're walking, and that way you're not prone to re-injuring your knee when you're doing any kind of activities or sports or something of that nature. So here, if you look clearly in the video, you can see where my knee is and where the donut hole is. And the donut hole is just lower than my knee center, and that's a problem. I'm not getting the support I need, and I'm better off not wearing a brace like this if I'm going to wear it incorrectly. So please make sure that when you're donning it, that the brace is right where it needs to be and that it's providing you the support. And last, as you can see here, the biggest issue I see all the time with people wearing a brace like this is they're wearing it over their clothing. They're wearing it over either their jeans or wearing it over some leggings or that are pretty loose, or they're wearing it over bulky clothing. This is a problem, and this is not going to give you the optimum fit that you need, because what you need to understand is that these braces are designed to be worn very intimate and directly against your skin. and not necessarily over any bulky clothing. Because if your clothing is loose enough to move around your leg, then your brace is going to move around your leg. So if anything, you should wear it directly against your skin, or if you're having any skin issues or if there's any irritations, you should have some very tight stockings or maybe some leggings or even some compression leg wear that you find in sports stores. So that way it's almost skin tight against your skin. So when you're wearing it, you have a layer of protection. But overall, wearing it like this is going to cause a problem and you're not going to be treating the issue properly. So if you do see someone that's doing this that you care about, please make sure that you pay attention, because what I'm going to go over right now is how to properly wear the brace. First here, as you can see, I'm not going to be wearing any bulky clothing, and I'm going to put this directly against my skin. So I'm going to check to make sure that the brace is in the right position, and the widest mouth of the brace opening is actually going to be my thigh portion, and the smallest is going to be my calf portion. So I got it in the right position. Next here, I'm going to pull the sleeve up my leg as far as I can pull it. Now, pay attention to where the donut support hole, where your kneecap should fall. A lot of people pull it up just right above the kneecap and they let it sit right there and they think they're good. That is not the case. You actually want to pull it just slightly higher than that. The reason why is because when you bend your knee, the brace is going to slightly shift down. So if you have it right in the center as you're pulling on the knee sleeve, then as soon as you stand up and you start walking, the brace is going to be sitting just below your knee and you're not getting the support you need. So just once again, make sure that once you get it right around the center of your knee, just pull it up just slightly here. And so that way it sits a little bit higher. And then what you can do is slightly bend your knee to make sure that when your knee is bent, your knee center is right where it needs to be. And if you happen to have this kind of brace at this point in time and you have one of these pull tabs, then you can tighten this pull tab and stick the Velcro on it. That's going to give you that nice snug fit to make sure your kneecap is supported, and that way you're getting all the support you need in whatever activity you're about to do. Okay, that's it, guys. It's very simple when it comes to these kind of knee braces, but as simple as it is, a lot of you are not wearing it this way, are you? And that's why you're here, because I want to make sure that you are getting all the information you need and that you're wearing it right so you can heal, so you can continue working out or exercising or just simply walking. If you do like this video, please make sure that you hit that thumbs up button below, because every time you hit that thumbs up button, it allows me the opportunity to share this information to other people out there. And if you have any friends or family or loved ones that you feel will benefit from a video like this, make sure that you share it with them. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button below and make sure you hit that notification bell. By doing that, anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. But overall, I do thank all of you for watching my video and getting the education that you need. Overall, thank you